Q-sys Core 500. We have two new models at the show. We have the 500 and the 250. The main differentiating factor, the 250 is 64 channels in total across the network, and our 500 is 128 channels across the network. So this is actually a DSP processor with built-in integration inputs and outputs. So we can have up to 8 cards on each of the cores, and each card could be up to 4 channels. So here we have 4 mic line inputs, here we have 4 line outputs, here we have 2 data port outputs that feed 4 amplifier channels. And there are a number of different I/O cards that you can choose from. So here's an example of the I/O card selection. You'll also notice that this uses QLAN, which is our proprietary networking system. QLAN is a layer 3 network that allows you to have over 1,000 channels on the network of uncompressed 48 kilohertz 24-bit audio. So some of the main features with this, it has extremely large processing power. So we're using an Intel microprocessor inside this to do all of the processing. Where a lot of our competitors are using DSP chips, we've gone the extra step and actually turned a Intel microprocessor using Linux operating system into an Uber DSP chip, a very big processor. So this will interface with all of the Q-sys peripherals, our page stations, our touch screens, and any of our I/O frames as well for additional inputs, outputs.